we're gonna fry with spike, tripas. In English it's what? Tripas. And in Spanish it's tripas. So what it is, it's the intestines of a cow. I've only tried this once when I was a kid, so I'm gonna try it again.
Ew. How many do we put?
As much as you can.
Yeah, but you want it to be like right now.
That's good. We'll do that batch first.
A little bit more because in the other batches it
looks like tentacles. So here comes the sizzling part. Yeah, I hear it going. Didn't fry them like the fish, like not bad. Still sounds nice though. I forgot to mention, the way you know these are done is they start like foaming way more than this. The meat's gonna get like crispier, more harder. And when you're doing intestines, what you do is you gotta clean. You always gotta make sure you clean the inside, get all that poo-poo out. You know, and once you get all that poop out, you boil it just to make sure everything gets like cleaned out even more. And then you get the fryer ready, and then you throw them in the fryer and you let the fryer do the rest of the work. So when it's done, mostly all the tripa, the intestine, is gonna start foaming. Like right now it's foaming over here, but from the intestine itself, like this one down here, it looks like it's getting there. So it's gonna get darker, the meat. Right now it's still like, see, it's supposed to get something like that, like the whole meat, crispy. And that's when you take them out. They'll get darker, the more you want it crispier, you know, it's just different. But you're always gonna make sure you clean them first, defrost them, and then you're gonna clean them out, and then you're gonna boil them for like 30 to 40 minutes. And after that, it's up to you if you want to put seasoning or not. And after that, you just come throw them on in here and just watch them sizzle. As you can see here, it's no longer a light pink, but a dark pink. And it's picked up pretty much the heat and the frying. So it's already getting close to done. It's dark, as you could see. We just needed to get more dark pink. Peach type color, you could say, I guess. But it's almost there. It's already somewhat done. It's supposed to be actually like real dark. Dark. My brother-in-law was telling me right now. Like I said, this is like first time ever doing it. So it's supposed to be real dark. Sort of crunchy, not too crunchy. But it's getting there, he says. So it should take around like close to 45 to an hour, depending on the heat. His friend, it took him like 4 hours because he had the heat like at 200. I got mine at 350. So it should be pretty good, you know. It just depends on the heat, but then again, my burner is actually different than the ones they use. I got mine at Bass Merle. It works pretty good. It's the one I did the fish fry on. But here we go. I'll hit y'all up once we're done, and I'll show you all the sides we made. Because with this, you really can't make a side that I know of, unless it's like chips or, you know, some type of salsa. But we went ahead and did our own side, which, yeah, includes salsa. But yeah. So at this point, they are starting to look like onion rings, and I had to jump to bigger thongs because, boy, I did not know they were gonna start splurting. So just keep that in mind. It's always good to use bigger thongs and maybe some mitts if you're not used to the burning, which I am. That's why I'm not wearing any mitts, and I'm actually wearing shorts right now. So yeah, but you always want to be cautious, especially when you're frying food. And as you can see there, they're starting to look like onion rings. Goldenish, brownish, sweet. So we're already close to the ending process of this, and then we'll turn it into a taco. Tried the first batch right now that came out. It's done. My brother-in-law and me tried it. It actually tastes like chicharron, if you don't know what that is. Pork rinds fried pork skin. That's what it tastes like. It does have a weird little bitter aftertaste, but next batch I'm gonna add some seasoning. They say just to throw in salt, but I'm a seasoned type of person, so next batch I'm gonna do that. So here goes the second batch, and let's see if it sizzles. Oh. Ooh, I think that's a little too much. I think we overdid it on the sizzle part, but it got. I think we really overdid on the sizzle part, but it definitely got. So we added here is a white goat cheese, pico de gallo, of course the tripa, and guacamole. So now we're gonna try it. Let's have a taste. Here we go. Compliments to the chef. Oh, don't forget, you want to add lemon juice on it? Makes it real good. Add some lemon juice. It's like you're eating chicharrones. Alright. It came out real good.